I got your hand. Oh, got him! Darn. Woo! You guys are gonna get poked. Oh, it got me. Still 11-8.
What do you think of this? Can you imagine being in that? Shooting at people while they're shooting at you?
I work a job that doesn't pay. One more hour till I'm broken. It kinda kills me, but I know there's better days on the way. My boys will pick me up at 7. By 8 we'll be halfway to heaven.
We're at Ozat Lake of a beginning 3-mile hike to the ocean.
Until the dawn, I've been living for the backyard sunrise. I've been living for the nights that end too soon. I've been living for all these little things, the moments in between. Yeah, they're the ones that I'll miss, 'cause I've been living for some days like this. Father sat me down and said, son, you best quit thinking about the next one. Before you know it, years won't pass on by and slip away. Since that day, I've been living for the backyard sunrise. I've been living for the nights that end too soon. I've been living for all these little things, the moments in between. Yeah, they're the ones that I'll miss, 'cause I've been living for some days like this.
We finally made it. Well, Kaden made it all the way to the top of the rock.
Guess what I'm gonna name it?
What are you gonna name it?
Junkyard.
Junkyard Rock?
Do you know why?
Why?
Over there, there's a whole bunch of crabs. It just looks like a junkyard.
Oh, a bunch of crabs? We just saw 3 bald eagles fly across here. You can see one right now about somewhere right in there. Bald eagle. I pledge allegiance to the United States of America. Oh, you think it's a swing?
Yeah.
You weren't just trying to hit him, you're trying to swing on it?
I can't get on it.
Whoa, dropped a rock. What if I put you on it? Do you think you'd break the log off?
No. Oh, no.
What? Do you want me to swing you?
I want to get a picture.
Uh-oh, Caden's having a time.
Are you going to take pictures too?
No, no, no.
Is it not fun? Is it scary? Can I push you? Hold on with both hands to the same rope. Hold down. Put your other hand up here.
No,
Put your other hand here. Put your.
Get go.
I'm gonna push you either way, so put your hand up there. There you go.
Don't go super hard. No, mommy. No.
Kaden, stop.
Wow, look at him, barely moving, and it's scary. It's pretty fun, isn't it? You don't get to do this every day. This is better. This is better than Six Flags.
Kaden!
Disappeared. How'd you do it?
And here's
These are the days. Oh, these are the days. These are the days. I've been living for the backyard sunrise. I've been living for the nights that end too soon. I've been living for all these little things, the moments in between. Yeah, they're the ones that I miss. 'Cause I've been living for some days like this.
You did it.
I've been living for the backyard sunrise. I've been living for the nights that end too soon. I've been living for all these